What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on Pigweed Farms. Today's video, we're going to show y'all how we get the farm ready for another week. Me and Mara both work full-time jobs, so I try to plan everything on Sunday afternoon, get everything fed up and watered up for the week. So we're going to take y'all on. Y'all ready?
Ready?
What are we going to go do? We're going to feed the piggies?
Yeah.
All right, let's go feed the pigs.
Show them what you got, Tate.
What you got? You got apples?
Apples.
All right, come on. Hey, Tay, can we go get them some real food first?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get them some real food, okay? All right, let's let the piggies out. You say, hey, piggies? Oh, I done broke Pops' kennel. All right, here they come. Piggies. It's okay.
You gotta go give them their food.
Get out of there, Wilma. Get out of there. You too. Come.
Look, Tate, they're eating your apples.
Here, Brooks, you want to pour your food in here? Pour your food in.
Oh, I missed that time.
There we go. High five. Hey.
You ready?
High five. High five. Here, you want to see if we can hand feed them before we give them their big pig feed? Oh. Look. Look, Brooksy.
They're eating the apples.
Yeah.
Those are some very ripe apples.
Look, you want to feed one?
If they were bananas, it'd be time to make bread.
Look, you gotta give it to Wilbur. Look, Tate.
Mom. Come out quick, right here, quick. Quick, before they get out. Go quick, fast. Fast.
Y'all getting out?
No naps today, remember that, Dad.
Yeah.
That was good for audio, Tate.
Come get your apple.
Leave it. What?
The chicken got him.
The chicken didn't get him. It's okay.
You want to try one?
That chicken was trying to run to you? Okay, tell him no, chicken.
Alright, y'all ready to go feed the chickens? Ready to go feed the chickens and give them water? No.
You want to get eggs?
We are working on 0 minutes of nap today. Come on. Tay, get that rooster. Get that white chicken. Get him. Get him. Get him.
He wants to know if he can put eggs in his puppy.
We'll go get you and Mama go get the basket. You'll get the basket?
The egg basket or the hell?
The egg basket.
Alright.
Come on, Tate. Me and you go feed them. Come on, so get their feed bowls. Ah. I'm not going to carry you. Come on. You want to get in there with them? Yeah. All right. Let's get in there with them. You getting in with me?
Yeah.
Are you getting in the doggy and Tate? Okay. Go in.
All right. You ready to feed them? Here, hand that to Mom.
Good, Mom.
I'm at the trash can now.
Look at all them goodies in there, Tate. You want to try some? You want a piece of corn?
Okay, don't. You can throw it to the chickens. Don't eat it, Nate.
All right, let's check their other feeders. Come on, I think this one needs some. All right, let's fill this one up. All right, hand that to Mom. You hand it to Mom?
Thanks.
All right, and the other feeder's still half full, so we won't worry with it. All right.
Tossing them some corn?
Yeah.
All right, stay right there, okay? Brooks, how that's gonna work out for you, buddy? All right, let's go feed the little chickens. You wanna go feed them? Come on, come on. Where'd the little one go? There he is. You having fun? You gonna give him some? All right, that's enough. All right, that's enough. All right. All right, Tate, all done. They really need to be moved. I have to. Tate, I didn't need that bag in here, buddy. Farm kid stuff.
Brooks, get out of there.
They're gonna get you.
Brooks, come here. Brooks, quit.
Look here, I'm about to spank.
Don't put it in this pool.
Go give it to the ducks.
Put it over here in the grass. Throw it.
No, Tate, we're done. Okay, Dad? Stand over there with Mom. We're not throwing no more food. No more food. Look, can you help me dump this out? Ready? Oh!
Nope, not that one.
Watch out, Brooke.
I see that. Keep it in, Brooke. Right, the splash on too.
Time to, sorry, I saved it. Oh, did I get you? Was it cold?
Yes. Can confirm it's cold.
All right, let's leave it right there, okay? Don't get in the water. Here, y'all come stand right here.
That's yucky water.
Brooks Michael. No. Brooks wasn't supposed to do that. Take James. No. No. Stop. Let me have it. Let me have it. Open up. Let me have it. We're gonna leave that in there for them to eat, okay? Now come on. Look, come help Tate hold the water hose.
So, Mr. Williams, what do you say to people who are like, well, I want to get into farming, but I'm worried I won't be able to spend time with my kids?
Bring your kids into it.
What kind of chores would you say a kid 5 and under can do, or at least help with?
Everything. Keep them involved. Get them started young. Let them live life on the farm.
Tell me about some of the ways you let your children participate on the farm, Mr. Williams.
Let them play in the water. No, we collect eggs try to every day, or every other day. And then just let them help out wherever they can.
Hey, look that way.
What happened? The black duck. It teaches them about science really early in life. Brooksy, look what I got for you. All right, don't bounce them around. Don't drop them. And just like that.
Wow.
All right, y'all come help Dad fill up the little chicken's water. Okay, come on, Ma.
Well,
hey,
Daddy's gonna get it.
I'll get it. Come on. Tate. That's poop. Come on. You got it. Hey. Come on. Look.
Tate's coming out too.
Here. Here, come help. Look, I need help. Come on. Come on. You want to go feed the sheep? All right, let me see it, Tate. Get off the hose.
Did you spray him?
Did I? I didn't mean to. He was.
I don't know.
Well, I went to pull on it, and he was standing on it, so it kind of jerked back.
Did Daddy spray you, Tate?
And guys, if you are wanting a nice watering system, you're not even pointing the camera at me.
Sorry, that's just crazy stuff.
If you want to make your life easier on the homestead, farmstead, anybody with chickens and ducks, this watering system is the way to go. I got a 17-gallon tank. About every 2 to 3 days, I come fill it up. Hey, we gotta go get eggs. You wanna go get eggs? And then we gotta go feed the sheep. He's a chick guy. Tell Bella to hush. Say hush, Bella. You can cut that off right now. It's gonna take a minute to fill this up. Hey, hold it with the handle. Hold it right there. Do not drop them eggs, Tate. If you drop them, I have to take that out of your allowance. All right, boys. Oh, we got eggs everywhere.
Ooh, eggs. You ready? Okay, how many do you have in your basket right now? 1, 2, and what's next? 3 eggs.
3 eggs?
Yeah, 3 eggs. How many do you think Dad's gonna find?
That one's cracked. So
Here we have 4, 5.
5?
Yeah. 6, 7.
all right, hold your basket. Make sure you hold it really tight.
Let's see, it's 5, 6, 7, 8. He's got more. Okay. 9, 10. Well, we have more than 10. 11 and 12.
There's 1 dozen.
Oh, Daddy.
There you go, poop. Oh, nasty.
Down.
13,
Hold it.
14, 15. My count's all right.
Yeah, I think so.
16 and 17.
All right. Hey, there's some out there in the back. You know that door? This is a problem when you build a coop that's 8 foot long. Y'all watch out. Well, alright guys, camera got too hot and Mama took the boys in the house because they were just getting no naps. So if you're a parent, you understand. So I got a bucket of feed for the sheep, and right now, for y'all that don't know, we had Bruce. Bruce was our miniature Zebu bull. I sold him last week at the sale. So now that he's gone, I got Josephine and her baby, if I can get over here, is in here with 3 of my sheep. So there's the baby, Josephine. What's up, baby? What is it? And then we got 3 sheep over there. We had 5 ewes. One of them passed away a couple weeks ago. We got into a bad parasite ordeal. And then the other females over here with the 2 rams. So She's over there with them right now. I got some things planned where I just not worried about it. I'm pretty sure she's bred, so now that she's in the pen with 2 rams, she should be bred. And the main reason I got rid of Bruce, sorry girls. The main reason I got rid of Bruce, I couldn't do this right here with Bruce in the pen. I couldn't get in there with him, couldn't work with him, or nothing like that. And he would always try to eat me up. I got videos, I'll throw a clip in of how he used to be, and it was just a nightmare every time. So I figured the best way, because we're about to start rotationally grazing, that's what we use the money from him to do that. And we I got one caught up in some wire. Let me go help her. That's probably way too much feed for 2 cows. Y'all enjoy some. But I'm really wanting to get to where we can work with Josephine and her baby, which is Jessie. And with Bruce in the picture, we couldn't do it. Coming out here feeding every day is helping a lot. And we're about to, like I said, we're about to start rotationally grazing, so hopefully it works out good. But that's the last of the animals to check on. We have, oh, I'm out of breath. I had to run and chase that ewe. The other ewe and the 2 rams, I check on them every day, but they're not too fond of me, so we don't mess with them too often. But guys, we got the chickens took care of, the eggs collected, chickens fed, ducks fed, duck water swapped out, pigs are fed, and they're fed. Now I do feed these every day, every other day, just to keep them used to me. Their water is good. I just moved them here yesterday, so let's see here. They are took care of, so now I'm about to go work on my rotational grazing. I got some toast, some marking toast in the ground last night, and I'm really excited about that. So hopefully we'll be able to do a lot with what we got coming. So check on Mama and the kids and make sure they're doing okay, and then I'm gonna try to grab a handful of T-posts, maybe get some rope pull today. But guys, as always, thanks for watching. Remember, Jesus loves you. God bless you. If you ever have any questions, just comment them down below. I will be sure to answer them back. And make sure you like and subscribe. We have new videos posted every day. And we'll be happy to have y'all on the farm. So guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.